What's up, everyone? My name is Jacob Sandoval. I'm the head of investor relations at the DeRosa Group. If you've invested with us before or are considering it, I'm going to be the go-to person to keep you updated on everything that's happening at the company. At DeRosa, we've partnered with over 600 investors to grow our portfolio to 150 million of assets under management, spanning 2,000 units across multiple states, and investor relations is at the core of ensuring that the investor experience is seamless, transparent, and rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the real estate syndication space, I'm here to give you an inside look into what investor relations does, how we serve you, and why investor relations is such an integral part of the overall investment process. So without further ado, let's hop into it. First and foremost, investor relations is your communication hub. We always keep you up to date on the status of your investments, which means that we are the bridge between you, the investors, and the operational teams that are running the properties. We send out regular updates, typically on a monthly basis, with more in-depth financials on a quarterly basis, and as needed when there are important developments that you, the investor, should be aware about. In these investor reports, you'll see information like occupancy rates, rental income, renovation updates, and market conditions. We really want to make you, the investor, feel like they're in the know on how their investment is performing. It's our job to make sure that these reports aren't just a bunch of numbers thrown at you. We want to make them digestible, transparent, and clear so you fully understand how the property is doing. At DeRosa, we believe that well-informed investors are confident investors. Transparency builds trust, and that's what our regular communication aims to do. Another major part of investor relations is raising capital for new deals. Whenever we have a new deal, say a 100-unit apartment complex in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, investor relations is in charge of bringing that deal to our investor network and raising the capital needed to close the deal. And raising capital isn't just about collecting funds. It's about educating investors about the opportunity, explaining the business plan, and demonstrating why this particular property fits within DeRosa's investment thesis. We provide detailed offering memorandums, host live webinars, and have one-on-one calls with you, the investors, to walk you through the entire investment process. We really want to make sure that you understand how the deal is structured and what the potential risks and rewards are of the investment. One of the most important yet often overlooked parts of investor relations is being the voice of the investor within the company. We don't just communicate with you. We try to channel your voice and make sure that your opinions and your feedback is heard by the leadership team of the company. Whenever investors reach out to us, we take that very seriously, whether it's questions on a specific property's performance or the timing of when you'll receive distributions. We are here to make sure that all of your questions are answered, and we are here to advocate on your behalf. We know that your capital is hard-earned and you've entrusted it to us. Our job is to represent your best interests internally and make sure that the teams are making decisions that optimize investor returns over the long term. Investor relations isn't just about managing the flow of information. We're here to provide support and education as well. Every investor has different needs and levels of experience, and part of our job is to ensure that you feel confident and knowledgeable about the real estate syndication process. So whether you're looking to invest in your first passive syndication or you're a seasoned real estate professional, no matter where you're at in your journey, we are here to help. We host educational webinars, create detailed FAQs, and offer one-on-one support calls to ensure that all of your questions are answered, from basic syndication 101 type questions to more advanced wealth planning. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, that sounds great, but how do I actually get started in real estate investing? We've got something special for you. The DeRosa Group has put together a free 1-hour on-demand training that shows you the tactical steps of how you can replace your 9-to-5 income through passive real estate investing. You can get that free training down in the link in the description below. If you're tired of the corporate grind and you want to take your first steps towards achieving financial freedom, this training is absolutely for you. So there you have it. Investor relations at the DeRosa Group is about building strong, transparent relationships with our investors, from keeping you informed with regular updates and reports, to representing your voice within the company, to guiding you through new deals and providing ongoing support and education. We see ourselves as your partners in this journey to build wealth through real estate, and we do everything we can to make sure you feel confident and informed. That's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe if you found value in today's video so we can keep you updated on all things real estate investing. Also, don't forget to download our free on-demand training on how to quit your 9-to-5 job through passive investing. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.